Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the base box, which is the $25 box, and you get 5 full-size items, and I think it's supposed to be $125 worth of product. So it's like a makeup mystery box, and some months you might really like it. Some months you might not like it. Not gonna lie, I already opened it. I'm not happy. So I already peeked inside because it came late and I wanted to see what was in it. So I looked at it and I'm like, ugh. So I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe switching my box to something else. Maybe I should just cancel since I have so much makeup. I don't know. So we're gonna think about it. So let me know if you guys have boxes that you would recommend, like in the same price range, maybe. Mr. is ready for makeup class. He did inspect the box last night and he wasn't happy either. So that's just how it is some days, some months. So on my eyes today, I am wearing the Viseart. This is only one shadow from here. This is the Viseart Dark Mattes, something mattes. And I have on the Plain Jane palette, and I have on the shade ACI 3. And so I just have this and this kind of, I don't know what color, this color right here. So it was a super simple look. It took me no time, but it looks like you've spent longer on your makeup than you did. These Adept shadows are really nice. And I used a fluffy brush and I didn't wet my brush or anything. I just packed it on the brush and patted it all over my lid. I didn't have any fallout, nothing. So yeah, I've been enjoying that palette, I must say. And then on my lips, I have this Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip, and I think this is in Vitamin Beet, and I have it topped with an Ofra gloss, and this is in Cherry Mocha. So that's what's on my eyeballs and my lips. Mister's here, so we will see what it is. The base box. Same card or theme as from the premium. If you missed my premium unboxing, I'll link it over here or over here. I don't know what side it is on. So it is Boxycharm Flourish. And first item here is by Serum Beauty called the Pluck It 2-piece tweezers. Not impressed. This is a brand that you can find at Burlington, and I believe this is like $3.99 at Burlington. And I only use Tweezerman tweezers because they are the best. I'm spoiled. There's lots of things that I don't, really care either way, but Tweezerman tweezers, especially the pointy ones, you can't get like that. Like those are the best. I have like 5 pairs, and then I have the slant tip ones. I have like 5 pairs of those, and they come with a lifetime guarantee. You can mail them back in, and they'll sharpen them. And like the pointy ones like this, if you drop them, like I have tile in my bathroom and I've dropped them before, and you're just sitting there going no, because if they hit the floor, it takes the alignment off, and then you can't grip a hair at all once they've hit the floor. So you can send them back to Tweezerman and they'll realign them and sharpen them up for you. So I've just found they're about $25, but they're just the best. So let's see what they say these Mocha ones are. $18. So, and I've told them, you know the drill in my quiz, like I don't like getting tools. I don't prefer hair masks, hair products. I want more makeup than skincare. So they don't listen. They don't care. Next up here we have the Beekman 802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. And this is like the 3rd eye serum or eye cream that we've gotten in I don't know, like I have a Murad one, I have the Symbiosis one, now I have this one. So this is $42. Wow. Say goodbye to fatigue and waken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. So this sounds like something like that you would use in the morning, I guess, like the Ordinary's caffeine or Good Molecules caffeine, that kind of thing. So this is a little different than just a regular eye serum. Well, that's cute. It came in a little bag. That's super cute. That's a cute touch. Give them that. And it's a cute little bottle. So I'll give it a try in the mornings, like if I haven't slept very well, which is most nights, and we'll see if it works. Then next up, this was the one item in the choice. Lately, like, I hate when they have choices and you're just like, I don't really want any of the choices. Can I get some more? So I picked this one. This is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And they say this is $74. It says detoxify and revitalize skin overnight, a daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accentuate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen the skin's barrier while you sleep. So I'll definitely use this. And another skincare product. Is this a skincare box now? I must have missed something. This is by Skin Inc. This is called the My Daily Dose of Uplift. This skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger skin. $65. And I just had a hyaluronic something that they just sent me from this brand. So far we have 3 skincare products, a beauty tool, and 1 makeup item. And not even like a good makeup item. Like they couldn't send me the palette that was out there, which I was hoping, okay, you know, maybe I'll get a palette in this one. I didn't get a palette in the premium box, no palette in this box. So this is called the Ciate London Shadow Flip. This liquid eyeshadow has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look with just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease. $20. And this is, let's see, does it have, oh boy. I know there were 2 shades because I saw them in the pop-up shop. So let's see what shade this is because I can't see that small. It is Ember, E-M-B-E-R. So that's what it looks like in the tube. It looks pretty. Maybe this will be like the home run of the bunch. Let's see, let's do it here. Almost feels like it's dried out already. So it's kind of got like a red, gold, green kind of shift to it. So this might be nice. So I'll have to give it a try. I'm really bad about using like single eyeshadows. Like I have tons of the Stila glitters and stuff. And like I just pick a palette and then like go. I don't really, you know, do this. I forget about my singles a lot. So let's see. You can sort of blend it out. So it looks pretty. So I'll definitely give it a shot and see what happens. Maybe this will be like the best thing that ever came in a box, and we'll, you know, forget about the fact that they didn't really send me any makeup. So they say $219 in this box. So for $25, you know, I got the overnight mask. I got an eye serum kind of thing. This might end up being kind of cool. And, you know, a hyaluronic serum, I'll always use that. So these are the only thing that I won't use. But I think I'll probably use everything else. So, I mean, it's not, you know, like a terrible box. It's just that, like, I want makeup. I don't want a ton of skincare and a tool. So that's just, you know, how I like to think of my boxes is, you know, like if you send me 1, 2 skincare items maybe, and then like 3 makeup products maybe, or, you know, or if I specifically ask for, you know, like I want, and I also have on the quiz that you can fill out, I think they ask you like, would you rather have more makeup, less skincare, or more skincare, less makeup? And I said more makeup, less skincare. So I don't know, they keep saying make sure you fill out your profiles. So I always go in periodically and check to make sure, you know, like if anything's changed. I mean, my skin's still the same, my hair color's still the same, like my preferences have pretty much stayed the same. So I don't know, but yeah, this month was just kind of an box. I mean, I'll use it, and you know, then when I have my empties, I can give you a better idea, like, oh my god, this was amazing, oh my god, this was amazing, or if I'm wearing this and I tell you guys, this is so great. So you know, we get surprised by products all the time, right? So let's see. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys this t-shirt. Maybe I did. It says, "But did you die? #mom life." I always used to tell my kids that, and I tell my dogs that, like when they whine. I leave the room and I can't even get past the little gate, and Lily, the little one, is already like whining and howling and making all this noise. And I'm like, I always tell her, you're not gonna die. I promise you're not gonna die. I'm gonna be right back. And you would think that like they would get the idea that, okay, she leaves for like 5 minutes and she comes right back. Or she leaves and then she brings in some snacks, but they don't get it. So, and my little Chihuahua Lily, she had her birthday last week, May 6th, she turned 13. So I've had her for 13 years because I got her when she was a little teeny tiny puppy. She was only 8 weeks old. She was so small. She was so cute. And then, so she was May 6th, and then my daughter, her birthday was May 12th, and she turned 27. I don't know where the time's gone, and that's my youngest, 27. So she was here, and we had a really nice weekend. She came for Mother's Day. The flowers over there, and the balloon. I think the balloon is sagging, and the flowers are losing they're kind of going down. And of course, she gave me nice gifts. So, you know, we exchanged. I've been getting stuff for her, like I start my shopping like super early. Like I will already be shopping for like Christmas stuff now, and have already bought some Christmas stuff because I don't like to wait and be like, oh man, I need to find some stuff. So I pick up stuff all throughout the year to have ready so that I'm not like dropping $500 to buy gifts all at once. So that is one of my money saving tips. Shop all year long. Don't wait until the date is right upon you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Mr. is about ready to fall off of this table because he's not balanced correctly. Okay, did you want to say goodbye? No, he's not interested. So, oh, and I got this t-shirt off of jane.com. They have really good stuff. And they do run big because I ordered an extra large because I always worry that, you know, like stuff runs really small usually. And I can wear like a medium or a large, and I just like to be on the safe side. I bought this one, and it's an extra large, and it's big, so I have it like tucked into the pockets of my jeans, or I can tie it. But the quality is really nice. I think it's called, the brand is called Canvas, and the shop that I got the t-shirt out of was called Simply Tees. So if you're interested, I also got a black shirt that says Girl Mom, and then I got my daughter the matching one that says Mama's Girl. And then I have another one coming that says Boy Mom. So I got them all off of jane.com. That's gonna wrap up today's video. If you have any requests, let me know. I've been kind of like, I don't know what to film. Like, I've just been kind of being like, I don't know, like, I just don't know what to film. So let me know if you have any requests, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.